Okay, so I'm about to show you what I did for our homework. So the first task that we have to do is figure out if we have to use an independent samples t-test or paired samples t-test or dependent samples t-test. So for task 1, I ran an independent samples t-test because we're trying to examine the differences between two groups. So the first thing that I did, I ran it, obviously right here. Oops. And it's asking us if our results are significant. They are. Our p-value is 0.04796, which is less than 0.05. So so essentially we do have a significant finding. So we had an effect on our data, which is great. And then it asks to find the effect size. Did that right here, and it gave us 0.451, and I think they asked us, what does it tell you? So essentially this tells us that there was a medium effect essentially there's a medium effect from, with our t-value. So fairly good, really good. So the next task that we have to figure out which test do we run, why do we use it. So the next one that we're going to do is we're going to do a dependent t-test. We do this test because we're trying to figure out differences within the group, or within the group that we have. So we're going to go to R, and oops. Alright, so that's all of this here. And it asks if this is, if our finding is statistically significant, and it is. Our value is way less than 0.05, so this is good. So our t statistic has a substantial effect, well, a significant effect, but as far as effect size, and we were asked to calculate that, is a 0.12, so it's a fairly small effect on our data. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Did they actually report anything else? Nope. Alright, and that's pretty much it for the homework. Bye.